Okay, part 2. It will not get out of the GD bird feeder. Screwdriver? Okay, hold on.
Get me a Phillips head screwdriver.
Okay. It is stuck. And do we even own a Phillips head screwdriver? Yes, we do. I'm not sure if it's long enough. These are the only 2 I found.
Let's see if they're long enough.
All right.
That's not a screwdriver, that's an awl.
Oh.
You come out here with him,
Okay.
and I'll find one.
Okay. Hi there. How you doing? You're an idiot. You know that? You're right. Get. I see. You gonna get out? Yeah, you're stuck, aren't you?
Are you taking pictures of him?
I'm taking a video.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Hello.
The other one got interrupted because CVS called.
Oh, okay. There we go.
Okay.
Okay. I know, sweetie.
We're getting you out.
You are a little goober. Yeah, you are. You're a little goober. That one's not quite out yet. There we go. I need this one.
Almost got it, baby.
Come on, sweetheart. We got you. You're okay. We'll get you. No offense or anything, but you're one of the dumbest girls I've ever met.
How is he not supposed to take that as an insult?
Well, I did say one of. I didn't say the dumbest. Well, on the plus side, we now know how this bird feeder comes apart. For cleaning. Honey, sweetheart, relax. It's okay. It's okay. There we go. Okay, that. There we go.
Somehow thinks it can stick his head through there.
Huh?
Somehow thinks it can stick its head through
Yeah.
there.